All right, welcome back to Phatkat Collections. Got Nubeo's newest release. What a sweet piece. I hem and hawed over which color option to go with. I chose, this is very patriotic, the red, white, and blue. Let me just show you what it looks like. What an amazing release. This is their Megalodon, and I love what they've done here. They've just created their own case size, right? Their own case, got an alarm going off over there. They've created their own case shape, and this is totally unique. I love that they put the crown at the number 2 position, but they've also extended the case where it kind of jets out. It's totally unique. And in the world of watches, I love when brands do something that is completely different. It looks like nothing else out there. It's a kind of watch that if you saw somebody wearing this on the wrist, you would instantly know it was a Nubeo. So let's talk about it. I normally don't show you guys the packaging or the box, but I am going to show you the box because this watch is themed so well. So we have your standard Nubeo box. Not all of them come like this, but it's your standard dive case. That's not the cool part about it, although it is a nice presentation. Open it up, you'll have the watch pillow right here, but this is the coolest thing. Let me pop this out of here. They give you this little display panel, and this just says here, Octodus Megalodon. It says, having lived approximately 23, I will show you, I promise, 23 million years and up to 3.6 million years ago, the Megalodon is a species of shark believed to be one of the most largest powerful predators ever lived. And they include a Megalodon tooth. And I don't know if it's called a paleontologist. I'm not really sure. But it looks authentic to me. I mean, pretty wild. Kind of a cool presentation. It really ties the theme of the watch right in with, the name, which is, these are kind of like, there's some Nubeos, I've said it many times. There's some where the theme is very loose, and others where it's tied in really well. This is one where they've done it really well. And what I mean by that is when we look at the back of the watch, what a cool exhibition window. So it is an automatic movement. Nubeo usually tints their crystal on the back with this is like a dark blue. So you can see the movement. You probably can't see it in the video. You can see the rotor kind of gyrating around in there. It's hard to see, but you do have the Nubeo logo. And then they have these chrome Megalodon, like fossilized jaws, basically, just done. Of course, they're not real, but they're basically jaws of the actual shark, right? Pretty wild. Just a big, beefy, bold watch. Feels super solid. Feels like this sucker can just go and go and go in regards to diving. I love that the indices on this, on each indice, it's in the shape of a shark tooth. I love the open heart. I really like what they did with kind of this, almost like this on the face. You see these like slits? To me, they almost replicate like shark gills, and I think that's what they were going with here. And I love the bezel on this. So this bezel reminds me of I think it's is it Kelmar H2O? I have a homage to one of those watches where it has this huge, thick, kind of angular, 45-degree angled, sort of coin-edged bezel. I'm not sure what you actually call this, but it's big. It rotates smooth. I mean, there's nothing really, unique about that. All Nubeo watches are amazing quality, and they're machined really well. Screw down crown. This is recessed, so you're definitely not gonna, bump this on anything. It really protects the crown with that crown guard just being so huge. It's just such an interesting design. Nice rubber strap. I think this is silicone. We'll get to the specifications, but I mean, it just feels super solid. It's built like a tank, and I know we say that a lot, but love the way the strap just kind of blends right into the case. It is such a cool new release. It is available in black, blue, a teal and purple. It looks like what's this one? The black on black, Predator Black. So there's Ocean Abyss and Predator Black. The Ocean Abyss looks like it's just like the black version, but it's got sort of almost like a deep maroon face. The blue has got well, you'll know. I'll put the link in the description and the comment section. And then they have an orange one, which is pretty cool too. I really went back and forth with just the Predator Black, which is the safest. But I feel like the red, white, and blue is so different compared to anything else I have that I just had to go with this one here. Super patriotic. I think it's an awesome watch. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Nubeo's always come out with something really unique and new, and this one, kudos to their creators for making stuff like this. I love it. I think what really draws me into this watch is just it's so thick, But then also, it reminds me of the H2O watch I got, the homage watch I got by Steel Dive. But I just love just how busy the dial is with the shark teeth. I love that the theme on the back is great. Nubeo really put a lot of thought into this one, and it really does show. It is such a killer watch. Without further ado, folks, let me just read a couple specs, and I'm going to throw it on the wrist. 100 units per variant, so this is not going to last. These will go. And it says here that, of course, what I said, it has its teeth-shaped indexes, skin texture dial. I didn't get that or even notice that. But let me put it on here again. Let me put this, man, so sick. Like a kid on Christmas morning. I guess, I don't know, I'm not really seeing the skin texture dial, but this is what they say. They say the gill slip motifs carved into its architecture. I totally saw that right off. I did not read this. As you guys know, I come in completely unscripted and raw with these video reviews. I want to give you guys my honest reaction. One thing you won't see, I don't know if I can get this to glow, but it's like, I'll put the link in the description again. Click that, check it out. I got a black light on here. There's a lot of color on this. So the bezel looks like it's got that green lume, and then the indices, maybe you can see this, have sort of like a blue, and I love the fact that they got a combination of green and orange on, what is that, the minute hand. And we have, on the back side of the minute hand, we have sort of like the I think the dorsal fin of a shark. I mean, they just did a great job on this one. And again, the pictures, you will see how cool the lume is on this, and you can see some close-ups of what the jaws look like. What else? But I love it. I like, I've said it many times, these video reviews, that sometimes on the Nubeo watches I can't really see the theme. I love the fact that as soon as you look at this, I saw the sort of the inspiration on the face with the gills. I didn't necessarily notice the skin texture, but that's probably just, I'm not familiar with sharks at all. But it just, they did such a great job on this. Again, knocked it out of the park. It is such a big, impressive looking watch. You will love it. So speaking of specifications, let's just kind of get to it. Japanese automatic, 3 hands. I believe it's the NH series or a Miyota. That's typically what they use in Nubeo watches. Look at this. I was so excited to review this watch. I got my workout shirt on with the armpit all ripped out. Just a mess. Hey, a cool new watch will do that to you. I tell you. I look like a megalodon attacked me. 54 millimeters lug to lug, 44 millimeter case diameter. That's at the bezel. This watch, you know the old saying, a lot of folks, it wears larger. This does wear larger because it is a bigger watch. 22 millimeters in case thickness, almost an inch. It is huge. It is a massive, thick watch, which I've said many times, I really like when a watch is on the smaller side. And 44 is not small, but like typical size watch, but very thick. I really should have waited this. Anti-reflective coated sapphire lens cut. What else? 316 stainless steel. It has a 22 millimeter white rubber strap, 20 ATMs of water resistance, and 191 in grams in weight. Something you mentioned too on this, the strap. This is one thing I always want to mention with watches, is that the strap is proprietary to this watch. So, don't be careful with watches, I mean, because when you spend good money on stuff, you'd hate to have this for, I mean, this watch is going to last you a lifetime. That's my opinion. I feel like watches will last you a lifetime, no matter what the price point. But, it is a proprietary strap. I've said many times, I wish Nubeo would just include with their watches adapter links, where if you want to change this up to a standard 22 millimeter strap, you didn't have to get something directly from Nubeo, and I always kind of worry about that in the future. But I mean, the quality materials they're using are fantastic. I don't anticipate any problems with the watches. I've had their watches now for years and years, and I've never had any issue. Let me put it back on the wrist here. Let me just shut up and show you. I'll also do an up-close and personal video of this watch, just without me, so you can see just the watch under some brighter lighting. But what a great addition to the collection. I mean, I I'm always excited with what Nubeo is going to come out with. This one I don't think will last. Like, this released pretty recently, and the black is already sold out. The white, I have nothing that looks like this. Red, white, and blue. Definitely not one I would typically choose, but when I saw, you know, sometimes you'll see a specific design, a specific model of watches, and it'll kind of force you into a color that you know, like I said, maybe normally wouldn't choose. This is one of those watches. So awesome. Check it out. If I can help in any way, drop a comment, send me an email, whatever. I'm here to help you out. And if you do appreciate the video, use my link. They are affiliate links. You know, I hear it all the time. Thank you for your video. I bought one, but folks don't use the link sometimes. It is a free way for you to reward me, and it is appreciated. And it's nice too because Nubeo can also kind of track like where the sales are coming from. So I appreciate it. Of course, if you find it elsewhere cheaper, always get it for where you get the best price. But this one is not going to last. Get it while you can. Thanks for watching.